What does any of that have to do with him being securely fastened in case you get into a collision? That he doesn't become a little baby missile?
Honestly, I don't know. That's my fault.
Oh, it's absolutely your fault.
Absolutely my fault.
Okay. As long as we're on the same page there.
Yes.
A routine traffic stop in Pinal County, Arizona, is about to take a critical turn. Deputy Slope pulls over a driver for a simple broken headlight, but as he shines his light into the back seat, the friendly conversation stops. What he finds is an unforeseen hazard that defies logic and puts a young life at risk. Why would a parent make such a reckless choice? And what else is she hiding from the officer? Tonight, we examine the split-second decisions that separate a normal holiday night from a total tragedy. Stay with us as we uncover the scientific truth behind the dangerous baby missile.
All right. Well, I'm Deputy Slope. I work for the Sheriff's Office.
Okay.
Do you have a driver's license with you?
I have a picture of it
Okay.
because we were going Christmas shopping right now.
I love Christmas shopping.
Did I?
Is that guy?
Huh?
Right there? No, it was Lux, that guy. No, the reason I stopped you is because you only have one functioning light.
My taillight's out?
No, you have one functioning headlight.
My headlight's out?
Mm-hmm. No.
Confused again.
Passenger side. Yep. Had anything to drink tonight?
No.
Nothing at all?
No.
All right.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. This is like my...
Oh, that's a giant crack across your windshield.
Okay, so yeah, there's a story to that. The neighbor, we already went to court for it. The neighbor is going to pay for it, and we're waiting for that money to help. Because he threw something over the fence and it hit it.
Ah. Okay. Why don't you have your driver's license with you?
It's in my truck.
It's in your truck. Okay. Well, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take a picture of that with my phone. Then I don't have to write anything down. And that's what work phones are for. Boop. Okay. Let me go back and wrap. Do you have registration and insurance for your vehicle?
When the driver attempts to show a photo of her license on her phone, Deputy Slope correctly identifies a violation of Arizona Revised Statute, Section 28-3169, letter A. Under Arizona law, every person must have their physical driver's license in their immediate possession while operating a motor vehicle and must display it upon demand by a peace officer. The driver's argument that other officers have accepted a digital photo in the past is legally irrelevant. Police discretion allows an officer to be lenient, but it does not change the statutory requirement. Furthermore, failing to produce current proof of financial responsibility is a violation of Arizona Revised Statute, Section 28-4135.
How old's that little baby that's sitting on the back seat?
He's going to be 3.
Hey, why isn't he in a car seat?
The car seat's in the back.
Like in the trunk?
Yeah, he was throwing up, and I needed to come get medicine. And we're going Christmas tree shopping, and he was throwing up. He has throw up on his outfit.
Okay.
And then I took it off because he was throwing up at the store.
Okay. What does any of that have to do with him being securely fastened in case you get into a collision? That he doesn't become a little baby missile?
Honestly, I don't know. That's my fault.
Oh, it's absolutely your fault.
Absolutely my fault.
Okay. As long as we're on the same page there.
Notice the immediate shift in the driver's tone when the child is discovered.
Like in the trunk?
Yeah, he was throwing up, and I needed to come get medicine. And we're going Christmas tree shopping, and he was throwing up. He has throw up on his...
She employs a psychological defense mechanism called externalization. By claiming the child was vomiting and that the car seat was moved to the trunk to stay clean, she is attempting to rewrite the narrative. In her mind, the inconvenience of a dirty vehicle interior outweighs the lethal risk of an unrestrained child. She is seeking validation for her choice, hoping the officer will sympathize with her struggle as a mother. This is a common cognitive tactic used to minimize the perceived severity of a dangerous action.
Okay.
She's pulling up the insurance.
Hello, small child. So I didn't even see it initially on my first approach because it's not a full-size human. There is a small little 3-year-old child sitting in the back seat, just sitting there, just looking around. I don't even understand why you would do that. Like, I can't even. And she said there's a child seat in the trunk, so I'm going to have her hop out here in a second. But I don't understand why you would do that. It's beyond my comprehension. Do me a favor, hop on out. I want to take a quick look at you, and then there's a little child there. All right. There we go. Okay. Step on up over to the sidewalk over here.
From a legal standpoint, the request for the driver to exit the vehicle is fully supported by the United States Supreme Court ruling in Pennsylvania versus Mimms. This landmark case established that an officer can order a driver out of a vehicle during a lawful traffic stop without violating the Fourth Amendment. This is a safety measure intended to protect the officer and allow for a better observation of the driver's physical condition. Deputy Slope's actions are a textbook example of balancing individual constitutional rights with public safety obligations.
All right. So I could have sworn that I smelled some alcohol in there. So have you had any alcohol tonight whatsoever?
No.
Nothing at all? Smoke any marijuana?
No.
Okay, when was the last time you smoked? Not a smoker?
Last week. It's only like once in a while.
Okay. I just want you to follow this with your eyes and your eyes only, okay? This right here.
Deputy Slope detects the faint scent of alcohol and immediately requests the driver to step out. His statement, "I do not believe anyone. I have been doing this job almost longer than you have been alive," serves a dual purpose. It establishes absolute authority and shuts down any further attempts at deception. During the horizontal gaze nystagmus test, the officer is looking for involuntary signs of impairment that the brain cannot control. Even as she claims to only be an occasional marijuana user, her physiological responses are the only testimony the officer trusts.
There we go.
You don't believe me?
I don't believe anyone. I've been doing this job almost longer than you've been alive. Your eyes are real. It's like you're looking at two different things and your eyes are moving back and forth.
I keep looking at that and...
I can tell.
Yeah.
I can tell because I'm watching your eyes and they're like,
Is that a bad thing?
It makes it slightly more difficult for me to see what I'm looking for.
Yeah,
That's why I said, hey, just look at this. So hang tight, don't go anywhere. You said you have a car seat in your trunk. Can you grab that out for me, please? Hello, small child. Unrestrained and just hoping that gravity doesn't take place. There we go. Now we're looking safe. All buckled in, harnessed, safe. I love it. Love it. All right. So anytime that I give the eye test to someone, I'm sorry, I didn't want to blind you. I have to give the breath test just to make sure. Take a deep breath and blow for me.
Just blow?
Yep, just go. Deep breath and blow. Blow. Perfect. 0, 0, 0, 0. Perfect. All right. So we have, now that your child is properly restrained as required by Arizona law, I'm going to deal with all this stuff here. So first thing I stopped you for is 2 headlights that are required. Obviously, you need 2 of those.
It's the fuse. Can I fix the fuse?
You can, once we're done with this, you can do whatever you need to. You can pull in the parking lot here and do whatever you need to do. No legible driver's license in your possession because you have to have that.
I thought you can legally have it on the phone.
Nope, it is not required. That is not accepted.
I thought it was.
It is absolutely not, and it is not written anywhere in Arizona state law that you're allowed to just take a picture of it and show it to me. So that is...
So why is the cops in the past was okay with it?
Their discretion.
Okay.
Yeah, it is technically a violation of Arizona state law. Okay, and what you can do is, so the subsection here, where it says 28-3169A, if you put that into Google and say, hey, it's Arizona Revised Statute 28-1369, you can actually read the actual verbiage of the law.
Why'd you give me a failure to produce evidence of financial?
Because when I went back to my car, you didn't have it, right?
But I didn't do it on purpose.
Hang tight. I haven't gotten there yet, right?
Okay.
So relax. So you did get that citation. It is not going to cost you a dime. All you have to do is show it that it was current. You have to be able to produce it in a timely manner, and you just hadn't by the time that I had walked away from your vehicle. And then child passenger restraint violation, obviously a 3-year-old sitting in the back seat is a violation. So you're going to have to go to court for this stuff, or at least contact the court to take care of this.
The term baby missile is a grim scientific reality used in safety training. In a collision at just 30 miles per hour, an unrestrained child is propelled forward with the force of a falling safe. By leaving the safety seat in the trunk, the driver transformed her child into a lethal projectile. Deputy Slope forced a correction of this behavior on the spot, ensuring the child was harnessed according to Arizona Revised Statute, Section 28-907. While the driver faced multiple citations and a court date, the ultimate result was a life preserved. What is your take on this encounter? Did Deputy Slope save a life today? Let us know in the comments. I am Blue Line Raw, and thank you for watching.